Good morning, grade 7. So, for our class orientation for science, let us formally welcome you to Maypao High School. I hope that you had a fantastic vacation and are energized and eager to tackle the upcoming school year. So, I am your science teacher. My name is Elma S. de Maisip, but you can call me Ma'am Elma. So, these are our agendas for this day. Number 1 is that we're going to discuss the requirements, the grading system, some classroom rules that will be applied, and my contact details wherein you can communicate with me. For start, let us first discuss the requirements for Science 7. So, you need a one big notebook of any color. Hindi ako particular with the color. Kahit ano pong color, okay lang. And a 1x1 picture. So, ito po ang mga initial requirements that you need to comply on my subject. For the grading system, so we have 40% written works, 40% performance task, and 20% quarterly exam. Meaning to say, ito po yung mga hahanapin ko sa inyo para po makapag-compute po ako ng grade. Number 1, pagdating po sa written, these are the examples of written works: articles, essays, journals, reaction or reflection papers. And also, we can have data recording or the lab results that you will do kapag tayo na ay nagkaroon ng face-to-face classes. We are also going to discuss on the performance task in science. So, ano-ano ang mga bagay na ito? You're going to do demonstration. So, kung ano po yung napag-aralan natin, i-demo nyo po siya. For example, pinag-aralan po natin ang solution. So, you're going to conduct demonstrations regarding solutions. Also, kasama rin po rito ang yung last one is the quarterly exam. So, hindi ko na yun ipa-further. For our classroom rules, we have be prompt, be honest, be prepared, be respectful, be responsible, and be participative. So, I expect that every one of us will be able to do these things. Another one is that, let's have a recap first of what is science. So, what is science? This is a systematized body of knowledge based on facts. So, hindi po tayo gagawa ng mga other ideas that are not based on facts. For our lesson overview, ito po yung dapat natin mapag-aralan for this first grading. So, as you can see, these are about science of materials. So, meron tayong models, particles, and scientific investigations and solutions. So, dapat po by this time, medyo may idea na po tayo of what is a model, a particle model, and about scientific investigations and solutions. Ideas lang mga anak, hindi naman kailangan na tawag dito, broad ang pagkakaalam. For my contact details, you can chat me on this FB account, MHS Elma Jaime Solibaga. Meaning to say, dito lang po ako magre-reply. And please do not expect that every time na mag-chat po kayo ay makakapag-reply po ako agad. Kasi po, kadalasan po, nakakapag-reply ako kapag po ako ay nakauwi na ng bahay. Dahil ito po ay nasa isang laptop ko. So, hindi ko na po nahagilap yung password niya, kaya hindi ko siya mailipat. Next one. Okay. Next one is that, okay na tayo with the orientation. Punta naman tayo ngayon on setting up your ISN or your interactive science notebook. Again, ang gagamitin po natin sa science is an interactive science notebook. So, usually, ito ang mga na-encounter na problems ng mga bata or ng mga estudyante. Hindi nila mahanap yung notes nila, hindi nila mahanap yung homeworks nila and other things. And parang ang gulo-gulo ng bag, ang gulo-gulo at hindi organize yung kanilang mga gamit. But in science po, isa lang po ang requirement po. That is the notebook that you have. So that hindi mangyari sa atin tong frowning. So, ang interactive science notebook will be used by you guys para sa science. So, next. So, what is an interactive science notebook? As you can see, This one is a personalized science notebook. So, nakadepende po sa inyo kung ano ang magiging itsura ng inyong science notebook. It is actually also a portfolio wherein your handbooks, worksheets, quizzes, test, or whatever it is that we do inside the class ay ilalagay po natin dyan. It is also being organized po and pwede po siya maging colorful and creative depende po sa estudyante so that you can feel that you are a real scientist. So these are the materials that you're going to need for your ISN. So you need colored pencils, spiral notebook, pencils, glue, stick, and scissors. So habang tayo po ay nag-ongoing on our classes, expect po na mangyayari po ang paggamit natin sa mga bagay na to. An ISN also has two sections, the left side and the right side. When we talk about left side, that is the student output. Meaning to say, ito ang personalized work ninyo. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng design, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng mga artworks or whatever it is that you wanted to be there, pwede po. And sa right side naman po, that is my side. Meaning to say, I will give worksheets na kung saan dun nyo po ilalagay po ang inyo pong mga ginagawa na worksheets on the right side. Next one. Ayan. So, ito rin ang part ng left side and the right side. As you can see, more on, ang left side, more on concept maps, drawings, data. So, puro kayo yan. Pero pagdating sa right side, more on me. Ako ang bahalang magbigay sa inyo niyan. And then, ito po ang rules natin sa notebook. Wala pong mag-rip out na notebook o yung basta na lang magtatanggal ng mga pages. Everything must be glued. Wala pong mag-stapler. Hindi rin po masyadong doodled ang ating pong notebook unless kasama po siya sa magiging task po natin. And then, you need to come to class kapag po tayo ay may face-to-face and you need to do your asynchronous activities kapag po kayo ay nasa bahay. So, an example of a interactive science notebook is this one. Ayan, nakalagay po ang interactive science notebook, your name and your grade and your section. And then the parts are the following. So, these are the preliminary parts of an ISN. You have your cover page, all about myself, laboratory safety rules, ISN guidelines, and table of contents. So, ito po yung itsura ng inyong cover page. And then, all about me. And then, laboratory safety rules, ISN guidelines, table of contents, and ang deadline po nito will be on June 19. So, June 19 ay mag-check na po ako ng inyo pong mga gawa. So, yun lamang po ang inyo pong gagawin for this day. I hope that you enjoy your day and finish your task on time. Yun lamang po and God bless.